Your brand's success hinges on its ability to connect authentically with your audience. Enter user-generated content, UGC, powerhouse strategy that's revolutionizing the way businesses engage with their customers. This chapter will immerse you in the world of UGC, revealing its immense potential to transform your marketing efforts and skyrocket your brand's visibility. User-generated content isn't just a buzzword, it's a game changer. Picture this, your customers becoming your most ardent brand ambassadors, creating content that resonates with their peers and drives engagement like never before. That's the magic of UGC. At its core, user-generated content is any form of content, be it text, images, videos, reviews, or even audio, created by users of a product or service. Rather than the brand itself, it's the digital equivalent of word-of-mouth marketing, but with a reach that spans the globe. Think of the last time you saw a friend post a photo of their new sneakers on Instagram, or when you read a detailed review of a restaurant on Yelp. That's UGC in action. It's organic, it's authentic, and it carries a weight that traditional advertising simply can't match. The explosion of social media platforms has catapulted UGC into the spotlight. According to a recent study by Stakla in 2023, a staggering 86% of consumers say authenticity is important when deciding which brands they like and support. UGC delivers this authenticity in spades. But it's not just about authenticity. UGC is a content powerhouse. In 2023, the Content Marketing Institute reported that brands see a 50% increase in engagement when incorporating UGC into their marketing strategies. This surge in engagement translates directly into brand awareness, customer loyalty, and ultimately, sales. In an era where consumers are increasingly skeptical of traditional advertising, UGC stands out as a beacon of trust. It builds trust and credibility, increases engagement, provides cost-effective marketing, improves SEO, and offers valuable insights into customer behavior and preferences. When potential customers see real people using and enjoying your product, it builds instant credibility. A study by Turn to Networks found that 90% of consumers say UGC influences their purchase decisions more than any other form of marketing. UGC content typically receives 28% higher engagement rates compared to standard brand posts. This increased engagement leads to higher visibility on social platforms, extending your reach organically. To truly harness the power of UGC, it's crucial to understand the psychology behind its effectiveness. At its core, UGC taps into several fundamental human behaviors and cognitive biases. Social proof is a powerful factor. Humans are inherently social creatures, and we look to others to guide our decisions, especially when we're uncertain. UGC provides powerful social proof, showing potential customers that others like them are using and enjoying your product. There's also an authenticity bias at play. People tend to trust content created by their peers more than brand-created content. A study by Stakla found that consumers find UGC 9.8 times more impactful than influencer content when making purchasing decisions. Have you noticed something similar yourself? UGC comes in many forms, each with its unique strengths. Social media posts, including photos, videos, and text posts shared on platforms like Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and Twitter, often feature customers using or showcasing your product in real-life situations. Reviews and ratings on platforms like Yelp, Google, or your website provide valuable feedback and social proof for potential customers. Blog posts and articles written by customers about their experiences with your product can provide in-depth, authentic testimonials. User-created videos, including unboxing videos, tutorials, and product reviews, offer visual proof of your product's value. Customer photos showing your product in various settings can be powerful tools for showcasing real-world applications. Written or video testimonials from satisfied customers can be compelling evidence of your product's effectiveness. Conversations about your product on platforms like Quora or Reddit can provide valuable insights and showcase customer engagement. Unique hashtags created by users can help build community and increase visibility for your brand. User-generated content is not just a marketing tactic, it's a fundamental shift in how brands interact with their audiences. By harnessing the power of UGC, you're not just promoting your products, you're building a community, fostering trust, and creating authentic connections with your customers. Remember, the key to successful UGC lies in authenticity, engagement, and mutual value. Your customers are your greatest asset, not just as buyers, but as content creators and brand advocates. By empowering them to share their experiences and creativity, you're tapping into a wellspring of authentic, engaging content that can drive your brand to new heights. As you move forward, keep experimenting, learning, and adapting your UGC strategy. The digital landscape is ever evolving, and so too should your approach to user-generated content. Embrace the creativity of your audience, be open to new ideas, and always prioritize the authentic voice of your customers. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video if you think it is worth it. Drop a comment if you have any ideas or suggestions on UGC, and subscribe to the channel for more tips and strategies coming your way. See you in the next one. Bye.